Monday. Thank you for joining me for Sweet Moments, Part 1. Trying to use up products that I have in my stash, including these Dollar Tree candlesticks, mirrors, gold spray paint, and a couple funnels from Walmart. After trimming off the bottom of the funnel a little bit to fit inside the candlestick a little better, I used hot glue and super glue to glue all together. Once dry, spray painted with my favorite gold spray paint and started to arrange the florals. Have been collecting florals for the last couple months, hitting all the sales. Reminder, we always look like Neiman Marcus on a Walmart budget. As we start on project number 2, all from the Dollar Tree, including the packing tape, it was just, I think, 24 foam core boards, the peel and stick in the green ivy eucalyptus pattern, which is quite beautiful, and then just really assembled the foam core first and then added on the peel and stick, and it's ready to go for the backdrop. All we have to do is add balloons and florals. Hope you join us next week as we get ready for the little pumpkins. Also, start on the popcorn bar and other popcorn-themed party ideas and favors. Cheers until next week.